Are you hosting a Mother's Day brunch, lunch, or dinner and want to make it absolutely unforgettable? Looking for ways to turn your table into a stunning tribute to the most important woman in your life? Whether you're going for elegant, rustic, modern, or floral, I've gathered 10 beautiful table decor ideas that will make your Mother's Day celebration feel extra special. And at the end, I'll reveal one simple styling trick that instantly transforms any table into a magazine-worthy centerpiece.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What's the best color palette for a Mother's Day table setup? Your table decor begins with color. A thoughtful palette sets the mood for a warm, inviting celebration. Soft pastels like blush, lavender, and baby blue create a calm, feminine ambiance. For a more luxurious tone, try rose gold, ivory, and champagne. If your mom loves vibrant vibes, use coral, sunny yellow, or fresh green to energize the space. Love these color ideas? Like and share this video with someone planning their Mother's Day setup. How do I choose the perfect tablecloth and table runner? The base of your table should complement the entire setting. A white or ivory tablecloth gives a clean, classic foundation. Layer it with a linen or lace table runner in soft pastels or floral prints to add texture and visual interest. For a more modern touch, go with a neutral linen runner and let your centerpiece pop. Want more base layer ideas? Check the description for my favorite table linen picks. What centerpieces work best for a Mother's Day table? A gorgeous centerpiece pulls your whole table together. Fresh flowers are always a winner. Roses, peonies, or tulips in a vintage vase create an elegant focal point. For a more DIY look, try mason jars filled with wildflowers and tied with ribbon. Add height with tiered trays displaying candles, mini cakes, or fruit. Which centerpiece idea would your mom love most? Comment below and let me know. How can I set the tableware to match the theme? Tableware should reflect your chosen vibe. Use gold or rose gold cutlery for a glam setup. Pair it with delicate floral plates or pastel dishes for a romantic feel. Don't forget fabric napkins. Tie them with twine and a sprig of lavender for a rustic look, or use a napkin ring with a pearl accent for elegance. Want to elevate your table setting? Subscribe for more styling ideas like this. What are some thoughtful personal touches I can add? It's the small details that make the biggest impact. Create custom place cards with each guest's name and a short note of appreciation. Use photos of you and your mom clipped to a mini easel or tucked into napkins. Place a small gift or wrap chocolate at each seat as a lovely surprise. Need more creative table ideas? Check the description for my full Mother's Day setup checklist. How can I incorporate candles and lighting on the table? Lighting adds warmth and ambiance. Use tea lights in glass holders for a cozy glow. Arrange pillar candles in varying heights along the runner for a more dramatic look. If you're dining outdoors, string fairy lights above the table or place lanterns around the area to create an enchanting evening setup. Love ambient decor? Comment your favorite candle color below. How do I create a cozy table vibe for outdoor dining? If you're hosting outdoors, bring the comfort outside. Use a picnic table or foldable table with layered linens. Place pillows or cushions on the chairs for extra coziness. Decorate with potted plants and add a few citronella candles to keep bugs away while keeping the style in check. Want more outdoor inspiration? Check the description for patio perfect decor pics. What's the best way to set up a dessert or drink section? Extend your table theme into a separate corner for sweets or drinks. Set up a mini dessert station with cake stands, labeled cards, and floral arrangements. For drinks, use a carafe or vintage beverage dispenser and serve in mason jars with striped straws. Add a little chalkboard sign that says "Sips and Sweets for Mom" for a charming touch. Planning a sweets table too? Check the description for drinkware and decor essentials featured in this video. These 10 Mother's Day table decor ideas will help you create a setting that's beautiful, thoughtful, and filled with love. Whether you're keeping it simple or going all out, what matters most is the heart behind the effort. Which table idea will you be using this Mother's Day? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all the products and tips mentioned in this video. Let's celebrate mom in style.